Naomi Home presents the idealBase adjustable bed assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This base comes as shown with included USB ports for charging your electronic devices. To get started, unfold the bed base. Now, place 6 washers and install 6 legs onto the bed base. Hand tighten each leg by turning clockwise. Insert power cord that is located on the bed base into the transformer. Next, insert the power cord cable into the transformer. Finally, slide the retainer bar into the bed base. Now that the assembly is complete, let's go over the controls, with settings for adjustable head and foot inclines. Four built-in positions such as zero gravity, lounge, TV, and flat. Available with 3 levels of head and foot massage and an included nightlight. It can also be controlled by the smartphone app. Scan the Android or iOS QR code to download it. Now, what types of mattresses are compatible with this adjustable base? Traditional innerspring mattresses are not compatible due to their rigid construction. Do not use this adjustable base with traditional mattresses nor box springs. Memory foam, latex, and hybrid mattresses are generally the best options for use with adjustable bases, as they provide the flexibility and durability needed to perform well with the base's various adjustments. And there you have it, your idealBase adjustable bed is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.